PM Modi flag of the Ganga Vilas. Ganga Vilas is a cruise type, but लेकिन cruise के size का नहीं है. It's like a 62-meter long boat type है. It's a cruise, and it will cover more than 3,000 kilometers of distance from UP to Assam. From how many states it will pass through? UP, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand, West Bengal, and Assam. And another country is Bangladesh. Passing through Bangladesh, go to the Assam, Dibrugarh. And it's passing through the many rivers. कौन-कौन सी rivers involved है? Major 4 involved है इंडिया में. यही important है. शिप हमारे लिए important नहीं है. वेस्ट बंगाल में कौन सी रिवर है सबसे बड़ी? हुगली. कहां से स्टार्ट हो रहा है? गंगा से स्टार्ट हो रहा है. जा कहां रहा है? असम में मजूली रिवर. तो ये 3 मेजर रिवर्स हैं जहां से इट्स गोइंग टू बी पास थ्रू. तो इन्हीं की ट्रिब्यूटरी, इन्हीं की डिस्ट्रीब्यूटरी आप लोगों को देखनी है साथ साथ. दैट्स बिकम द इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. सो इट्स द वर्ल्ड लॉन्गेस्ट रिवर क्रूज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ रूट. द रूट इज 3,000, more than 3,000 kilometers, 3,200 kilometers. In 50 days, pass through the 5 states, 27 river system in India, and the Bangladesh. These are the 4 major rivers. You can write Mayong, Majuli, Ganga, and Hooghly. These are the major 4 rivers through which this cruise pass through. Anybody know the cost? कितना cost है एक ट्रिप का? वो ये आपके पर्पज के लिए नहीं, बट I'm generally asking कि क्यूरियोसिटी होती है कि घूमना है. It's a 22 lakhs. 22 lakh cost for a 50 days trip in this cruise. So it's passing through some of the major city. We can say Patna in Bihar, Sahibganj in Jharkhand, Kolkata in West Bengal, Dhaka in Bangladesh, and Guwahati in Assam. And it's passing through some of the national park. They will show some of the national parks, some of the heritage sites when they are traveling through these routes. Let's see about कहाँ से ये pass करेगा. World Heritage Sites of Sundarbans in the Bay of Bengal. Famous of the Royal Bengal Tigers, Kaziranga National Park, famous for the one-horned rhino. Bihar School of Yoga and the Vikramshila University, which will give the opportunity to get the rich Indian heritage. जो भी heritage sites रहेंगी इस routes पे, in these 5 states. Bihar is famous for the Buddhism sites, तो वहाँ की सारी sites. Varanasi for the Ghats and the Ganga rivers के लिए. Similarly, with the West Bengal, we can say Sundarbans वाला area as well as the national park, वहाँ पे Kaziranga National Park, Assam. And in the Dibrugarh में जो famous चीजें हैं, that will show through these routes, these heritage routes के through we will show कि ये चीजें होंगी. That's why taking that much money for the 50 days. 62 meter long है, 12 meter wide, so that not a much important. The next concept is important. Under which ministry it comes? Inland Waterway Authority of India. Inland Waterway Authority under the Ministry of Ports, Shipping and the Waterway. So you will confuse with the Ministry of Jal Shakti. It's not comes under the Ministry of Jal Shakti. It's comes under the Inland Waterway Authority under the Ministry of Ports, Shipping and the Waterways. One thing important. Second thing, passing through which states? Third, rivers. Which rivers are important one? In India, it's not the first type of the cruise in India. ये पहला cruise नहीं है. इससे पहले भी 8 cruise चलते हैं. River cruise. I'm talking about a river cruise. A river cruise ship operates in India right now. And these are passing through the national waterway too. And the tourism activity क्या क्या बढ़ेंगी? Camping, site seeking. These are the tourism activity that will be increased through these waterway and through these cruise. So these are the about the Ram Vilas cruise. जो भी UPPCS दे रहा है उसके लिए it's a most important context. So it could be a better idea. तो अभी UPPCS on 14. 2 week earlier, पहले बाद में होता था, तो भी कोशिश की कौन सा देना है. So we can see this is the cruise. It's kind of a boat, we can say, not a kind of cruise.